Hey everybody, welcome back. Brennan here from Brennan's Mobile Detailing. Got ourselves another interior detail and exterior detail on this Jeep behind me. Let me show you guys what's going on here. Like a zombie apocalypse, this one. We got some mold and some serious debris going on here. So hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Happy Friday. Cheers. Let me show you guys what I got going on here. Dealing with some serious mold, and yeah, let the games begin. Okay guys, that's a walkthrough of the full interior exterior detail on this bad boy behind me. We got our work cut out for us here. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Friday afternoon, chilling by the pool or at the beach or up at the cottage. Feel free to like and subscribe. Brennan's Mobile Detailing in the meantime. I do hit up cottage country. I hit up all the surrounding areas, Hamilton, Niagara, GTA. Feel free, cheers, to give me a shout anytime you guys need your vehicles detailed. Take care. The final result. I had to capture this one on video.